set up my mizzen first. So mizzen sail is all set. Tie up and wrap it. My mizzen is ready. Luckily it's not very windy. So this was my shoe drawer, and I'm trying to fit this battery in this place. Let's see. I think it will fit perfect. Oops. Excellent. Well done. Well done. Beautiful. Very good. Next, let's fix the Victron inverter charger. Yes. Ah, excellent. This goes in here, and right underneath goes the battery, and this is also will be closed. Battery inverter, perfect combination. So let's check out how is our electrical project looking like. Beautiful. The joy is that I all set it up myself. And eventually it's gonna look like that. This is just the startup. So this quarter of 48 volt DC is a 3 kilowatts inverter charger. So 3 kilowatt energy it can produce and charges at 35 amps. And it has a primary AC in and a secondary AC in will go from there. I'm gonna put that later. And this will have 2 AC out, and that is DC in and out. So there are basically 5 connections in the bottom. Primary AC in, I just need to put that later. Secondary AC in from that end. Primary AC out, secondary AC out, and DC in and out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 inputs and outputs for current part of it. And then it has also a network cable, BE CAN I think, that will go to my Servo GX. So there will be network cable coming out going to Servo GX. Right now it's looking simple, but there will be 6 cables coming out because AC, DC, black and white. And right underneath is my battery bank. If I can fit another 48 volts, 5 kilowatts, there will be a 10 kilowatt of energy storage. Just need to do a little bit of carpentry to slide it in straight and fix it permanently. And this one is my Victron Connect application. So my battery settings are battery capacity 100 MP, synchronize, okay, calibrate, okay, alarms,